In this video I'm going to share with you step by step how to wire the trailer lights. Made it easy. Let's get begin. We're using the car towing electrical connectors, 4-way flat output. If you're first to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell you won't miss any videos. Let's get begin. Okay, first step, tape 12 gauge or larger wire to the metal rod. Find the way from the engine bay through the firewall to run the wire inside the vehicle. We're working on 2001 Nissan Xterra with a V6 engine, which doesn't really matter. You can use this tutorial for any make and model. Just follow the basic steps. And if you still have any questions or something that is not clear, please ask down in the comments below. And we're using a car towing electrical connectors, part number 56146 if you want to know. And let's get access to the tail lights where we need to continue our job. Okay, remove the tail lights. Like I'm doing on Xterra, it's this way, but on your car it can be different, or if you're working on a truck or van, it can vary, but it really doesn't matter. Just get access to the light bulbs. Okay, and as you can see, I run my wire, run the 12-volt power wire from the battery to the back. That's what we need to do. Just to hide the wire under the weather insulator or that plastic part of the trim. Make sure it won't be punctured or damaged during the usage. Okay, and hide it behind. As you can see, I have a long enough wire and I'm right at the back of my vehicle. Okay, now we're back to engine bay. As you can see, we still have enough wire to get to the battery, just like that. Just run a wire temporarily like that, make sure it's long enough, and later we'll do all cuts. Okay, now we need to remove our right side tail light, like so, to get access to those connectors. And my turn signal is on. Using a test light, identify the hot wire for the right turn signal circuit. Temporarily disconnect the negative battery cable from the vehicle battery before doing any connections. Just be on a safe side. Connect converter green wire to the right turn signal circuit. Splice into the wires. Push metal lock down when wires are fully inserted. Yeah, put the ball back and install that unit back into the light assembly. Good for now. Put your fasteners back. There's a couple screws and we're good on the right side. Now we're ready to move to the left tail light. Okay, we're at the left corner. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. And yeah, help other people if someone will need this video, and share. Okay, there is our connector for the tail light. Open that loom, make sure you have enough wire exposed. Get your lock wire splice connectors ready. Okay, connect converter yellow wire to the vehicle left turn signal circuit and push that metal part in and lock it. That will be good. Alright. Using the test light, identify wires for the tail lights and brake lights. Yeah, I'm very comfortable to use lock wire splice connectors if it's inside the vehicle for interior applications, but I won't put it outside. Okay, push your brakes down and find which wire is your feed to the brake light. Okay, it was that. Oh yeah, here we go. That one is our brakes. That's why we know for sure that's wire will be connected next. Using wire tabs, connect the wires converter red wire to the brake light circuit. Here we go. Very easy. Just stop the video if you need to back to some details or you need to pay attention more. No problem. Connect converter brown wire to the tail light circuit. As what we did, we found the circuits and now we're just connecting our correct towing electrical converter. Yeah, connect converter brown wire to the tail light circuit. Yeah, that's converter number is 56146. You can Google it online, find it pretty cheap on Amazon or get it from a local auto parts store. Yeah, doing this way you will save yourself probably at least a couple $100 or maybe more, you never know. Okay, now we need to get to our ground. There's a ground already there. Connect converter wire, white wire to the vehicle ground. Yeah, that's connected. There is a, I think it's 18 steps. Yeah, I counted. Just try to make it more easy to understand how to do it, and then if you follow exactly the same steps I'm going through, yeah, you will be totally fine. And yeah, it's what I said, and then the video you will be comfortable enough to do this job by yourself. Yeah, it's not a big of a deal, and yeah, learn how to fix things, and it feels good at the end. Then you can do things by yourself and not asking other people to do it for you. Okay, now we have our hot strings connectors. Using a butt connector, connect converter black wire to the battery power supply. Crimp it. Here we go. And now we're connecting to the converter. Nice and easy. You don't need to do much soldering. Just use the crimp connectors and just go through the shrink wrap and make sure it's all sealed. Yep, it's all good to go. Okay, now we're getting back again to the engine bay. Same thing. Connect fuse holder wire, 10 amps fuse max to the next to the battery. Remember that black wire is going to the converter, and another end will be attached to the positive battery terminal. Yeah, crimp it and use it heat shrink and seal it. Install fuse after all other steps have been completed. Yeah, that's way to do it. Okay. Now we're at the positive battery terminal. Let's crimp the O-ring connector, and we can attach that to the battery clamp. Lose the clamp. Yeah, that's interesting. If you learn how to do it once, you can do it for other people and help other people to do the same thing. Plus, if you're thinking you might be able, well, if you will need to tow something, you should definitely get those lights installed. Connect the power supply wire to the battery terminal. It's not that much difference between installing the 5 and 6 pins connectors. Pretty much the same thing. Just you added additional wire for the brakes and power supply. Used 1/4 inch plastic loom to protect the wire, and yeah, you just add few other things like brake controller. But if you got this idea and you understand how to wire everything, oh, it will be comfortable enough. Yeah, simple enough. Oh yeah, he's always watching us, make sure we're doing everything right. Slang kind of silent assistant, yeah, sort of. Yeah, when you do electrical work, you just need to understand the basic principle of electricity, how it works. I'm not going to tell those things right now because video is not about that. Okay, check it out. Everything's secured, everything's ready to be used. Make sure nothing's loose or will get any sharp contact points with the metal parts, and we have our wire in the loom. I use those plastic zip ties to tie the wire down. As you can see, my wire is ready to be loaded. Ooh, I cannot wait. Connect battery clamps to the battery terminals, and let's go to the back and check the lights. Okay, connect your alligator clip of your test light to the ground at the terminal, the 4-pin connector, and let's go check our turn signals. Oh, one turn signal, it's working, flashing. Another one, same thing. Our lights are on. I turned them on already, and let's go to the 3rd pin, and our lights are working too. Same way, go and push the brakes and check the brake lights. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, ask down in the comments below. Like and subscribe, we would appreciate that. And if you'd like to support my small YouTube channel, go this and watch that video on the bottom, or that one on the top, or that one on the side. Stay safe, have your lights on, and yeah, see you soon, and yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.